Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Max. Hey guys, it's really good to be here again. And today, we're talking about something every human on Earth experiences.
The weather.
Yes, that magical, unpredictable, wonderful, and sometimes annoying thing that controls our plans, our moods, and even our small talk.
It's so true. I mean, think about it. No matter who you are, where you live, or what language you speak, we all talk about the weather.
Exactly. When you meet someone new, nice weather, isn't it? When you're waiting for a bus, looks like it's going to rain. When you don't know what to say, boom. So, it's really hot today.
Ha ha ha. The perfect lifesaver conversation. It's friendly, simple, and everyone understands it.
But today, we're not just going to survive small talk, we're going to master it. You'll learn how to sound natural, like a native, when you talk about the weather.
We'll explore new vocabulary, real expressions, idioms, pronunciation, and we'll share a few funny personal stories along the way.
And of course, you, our listener, are part of this conversation. So right now, wherever you are, look outside.
Go ahead. What do you see? Is it sunny, cloudy, maybe a little windy?
Say it out loud. Really, try it. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's raining.
Good. And if you want to sound dramatic, it's raining cats and dogs.
Don't worry, no animals are falling from the sky. Okay, let's start simple, then go deeper.
Everyday weather words. All right, first things first. Let's start with something simple. The kind of English you can use every single day.
Yeah, the words that describe what's right in front of you: the sky, the air, the light, the world you wake up to.
Exactly. So, listener, wherever you are right now, look out your window. What do you see? Is it bright, gray, quiet, loud? Take a second to really notice it. Okay, now repeat after us. These are your basic weather words.
Clear and slow. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, stormy, snowy, foggy.
Nice. Say them again, but this time, feel them. Imagine each one as a little scene in your mind.
Sunny, the light touches your face. Rainy, you hear soft drops on your window. Cloudy, the sky turns silver. Windy, the trees dance. Stormy, thunder rolls far away. Snowy, everything turns white. Foggy, the world disappears for a moment.
Beautiful. Now, let's add something very important: temperature words. Because weather isn't just what you see, it's also what you feel.
Slow and clear. Hot, cold, warm, cool, freezing, boiling, chilly.
Good. But now we don't just want you to memorize words, we want you to live them. So let's put them in sentences and use real emotion.
Listen carefully and repeat after me, like a small rhythm. It's sunny today. It's cloudy this morning. It's freezing outside. It's boiling. I need ice cream.
That's one of my favorites. I always say that in summer.
Same here, especially when my air conditioner stops working.
Ha ha ha. All right, listener, your turn now. Make your own sentence. Use your voice, even if you're alone in your room. Say, it's so today that I.
Perfect. Maybe you said, it's so cold today that I can't feel my nose. Or, it's so hot that I want to jump into the sea. Whatever you said, that's real English.
Exactly. You don't need complicated grammar. You just need rhythm and emotion. That's how you sound natural.
You know, Sophie, I love using the weather as a mini morning ritual. When I wake up, before checking my phone, I look outside and say, it's a beautiful morning. Even if it's gray, I still say it. It changes how I feel.
That's a great habit. And it works as English practice, too. You're training your brain to think in English while you live your day.
Exactly. And it costs nothing. The weather gives you new vocabulary every day for free.
So, listener, here's your morning challenge. When you wake up tomorrow, don't just scroll your phone. Look outside and say one sentence in English.
You can say, "It's sunny and warm today," or "It's windy and cold, I need my jacket," or "It's foggy, I can barely see the street."
And if you want to sound extra natural, add your feeling. It's raining, but I love the sound. It's sunny and I feel happy inside.
That's the secret. Link the weather to your emotion. Because in English, that's how we really speak.
Exactly. For example, I can say, it's cold today, but somehow it feels peaceful. That's not just weather talk. That's connection.
I like that. Okay, let's do a little rhythm practice for pronunciation. Ready? We'll say a sentence. You repeat it with the same music in your voice. It's sunny today. It's cloudy this morning. It's freezing outside. It's boiling. I need ice cream.
Good job. Now let's make it more fun. Max, let's describe a day using these words.
All right, listen to this short story. See how many weather words you can catch. This morning was foggy and cold. I could barely see my street. Then, around 10, the sun came out. Suddenly, it was warm and bright. But by afternoon, the wind picked up. It got cloudy and stormy. And now, as I'm recording this podcast, it's rainy again.
That's so true. You just described a typical British day. Exactly, 4 seasons in one day. Hey, listener, now it's your turn. Try telling a tiny story about your day so far using weather words, even if it's just 2 sentences. Go ahead, we'll wait.
Perfect. That's how you turn vocabulary into real communication.
You see, weather is not boring at all. It's the perfect way to practice observation, emotion, and expression.
Exactly. You're not just learning words like sunny or cold, you're learning to see the world in English.
So before we move on, let's repeat everything once more together.
Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, stormy, snowy, foggy, hot, cold, warm, cool, freezing, boiling, chilly.
Perfect, you did amazing.
And remember, you can practice this every day just by opening your curtains.
Exactly. Instant English practice. For free. From small talk to real connection.
Okay, Sophie, let's be honest. Nobody just says, "It's sunny," and walks away.
Right. Native speakers make it emotional. We give it personality.
Exactly. We say things like, "What a beautiful day," or "Ugh, this weather is terrible."
Or we use little tag questions to invite the other person to respond. Like, it's nice today, isn't it? Or, it's raining again, isn't it?
Tag questions are pure conversational gold. They make people feel included. It's a way of saying, "Talk to me."
Let's paint a scene. Imagine we're walking to the studio together. It's early morning, gray sky, smell of coffee, and the wind is slowly picking up.
Ha ha ha. And of course, I forgot my umbrella.
You always do. So I say, looks like rain again, doesn't it?
And I sigh and say, "Yeah." And of course, I left my umbrella at home.
That's how small talk works. Simple, but human. It's friendly, real, and connects strangers instantly.
Exactly. Hey, listener, think of the last time you talked about the weather. Did you stop at one word? Or did you make it a sentence?
Try this exercise. Finish this sentence right now. It's so today that I.
Nice. That's how you practice fluency, by adding feeling to the weather.
Asking about the weather. Let's practice questions. Here are the 3 most common ones. What's the weather like? How's the weather today? Is it still raining?
Right. And notice we say weather, not climate. Climate is long term, weather is right now.
So, if I ask you, Max, what's the weather like where you live? What would you say?
It's warm and sunny most of the year. But in winter, it's windy and cold.
Perfect. And I could say, it's been raining all week. I'm so tired of it.
Exactly. See, native speakers don't just give facts. We share emotion. We complain, we exaggerate, we make it fun.
It's almost a national sport. Even when it's perfect, we say, it's nice, but I wish it were a little cooler.
So next time someone asks you, how's the weather? Give them a real answer. Use words, use feelings.
For example, it's sunny and I feel amazing after all that rain.
Exactly. That's how you sound like a real English speaker. Feeling the temperature.
Now let's go deeper. Temperature and emotion. Because weather isn't just seen, it's felt.
Exactly. When it's very hot, we can say, it's boiling or it's scorching.
When it's very cold, it's freezing. It's icy. My hands are like ice.
And when it's just a little cold, we say, it's chilly. It's nice. Maybe you need a light jacket.
Repeat with us with emotion. It's boiling outside. It's freezing today. It's a bit chilly this morning.
Perfect. So, Sophie, what kind of weather do you love most?
Honestly, I love cloudy days. When the light is soft, quiet, calm, it feels like the world is whispering.
Wow, poetic. Me? I'm a sunshine person. Blue sky, sunglasses, bright energy. It wakes me up.
And what about you, listener? Are you more like Max, sunshine and energy, or more like me, calm and cloudy?
Whatever your answer, that's your weather personality.
All right, story time. Last winter, I went to the mountains with friends. The forecast said, a little snow. So I packed a light jacket.
Uh-oh, I see where this is going. Exactly. We arrived, and 15 minutes later, boom, a snowstorm. Wind, ice, everything white. We were stuck inside the cabin for 2 days. That's what happens when you trust the weather forecast.
Never again. But it was beautiful, though. I learned the word blizzard that day. A heavy snowstorm with strong wind.
Nice one. My story's different. It was in Thailand. Every afternoon around 3, boom, thunderstorm. Raining like crazy for 15 minutes, and then sunshine again.
That's tropical weather for you. You could almost set your watch by it.
Exactly. I'd stand under a roof, watch people running, and somehow it felt peaceful. I realized the rain's not against you. It's part of the rhythm of life.
I love that. And see, when we tell stories, the vocabulary stays in our memory. Okay, time to sound like natives. Let's learn some idioms.
Number 1, it's raining cats and dogs. It means it's raining heavily, really heavily.
Number 2, every cloud has a silver lining. That means even bad things can bring something good.
Number 3, under the weather. It means you feel sick or tired.
Number 4, a storm in a teacup. That's when people make a big problem out of something small.
Perfect. Let's practice them. Repeat after us. It's raining cats and dogs. Every cloud has a silver lining. I'm feeling under the weather. It's just a storm in a teacup.
Nice rhythm. Use them when you talk. They make your English come alive. You know, the weather doesn't just describe the sky, it describes us.
Yeah. When someone says, you brighten my day, they mean you make them feel happy, like sunshine.
Or he's in a stormy mood. That means he's angry or emotional.
Or she has a sunny personality. That means she's cheerful, warm, positive.
Listener, think, what kind of weather describes you today?
Say it. I feel sunny. I feel cloudy. I feel stormy but calm inside.
That's English from the heart. So, why do we talk about the weather? It's not just small talk, it's how we connect.
When you say, beautiful day, isn't it? You're not just talking about the sun. You're saying, hey, I see you.
Exactly. The weather gives us a reason to be human, to share a tiny piece of life with someone else.
So keep practicing. Look outside every morning. Describe what you see. Say it out loud.
Because the more you talk about the sky, the more your English starts to shine.
And remember, come rain or shine, keep learning.